In this video, I'm taking a detailed look at Zoho SalesIQ, a live chat and visitor tracking solution designed to enhance customer interactions on business websites. Zoho SalesIQ allows businesses to engage visitors in real time, providing instant customer support and improving lead conversion. The platform offers features such as automated greetings, real-time tracking, and seamless integration with other Zoho tools. One of the standout features of Zoho SalesIQ is its visitor tracking system, which allows businesses to see who is visiting their site, where they are coming from, and how long they've been there. This provides crucial data that can help businesses understand their audience better and personalize their engagement. The chat interface is clean and simple, making it easy for customers to get in touch without any hassle. Zoho SalesIQ integrates well with other Zoho products, such as Zoho CRM, which is a huge benefit for businesses that already use Zoho's suite of tools. This makes it easy to manage customer data and follow up with leads directly within the platform. The automation features, such as the ability to trigger messages based on visitor behavior, can save businesses time while improving engagement. However, there are some downsides. The interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, especially for new users who aren't familiar with Zoho's ecosystem. It may take some time to get used to all the settings and options. The mobile app, while functional, lacks some of the features available on the desktop version, which might be a limitation for users who need full access on the go. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing to consider is the pricing. Zoho SalesIQ offers a free tier, but its more advanced features, such as detailed analytics and integrations with other Zoho apps, come with a cost. This might not be ideal for very small businesses with tight budgets, but it is a good investment for larger companies looking to streamline customer engagement and lead management. Overall, Zoho SalesIQ is a solid tool for businesses looking to enhance their website's customer service capabilities and improve conversions. It offers a range of features, particularly for users already in the Zoho ecosystem, but the learning curve and pricing may be factors to consider before committing to it. If you're looking for a way to improve your website's engagement and sales, Zoho SalesIQ is definitely worth exploring. Make sure to check out the full list of features and see if it fits your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on the best business tools.